Thanks to EcoFlow for sponsoring today's video. So check it out, you guys. Today, we got a bit of a game changer. This is the EcoFlow Glacier, and it's the world's first 3-in-1 fridge, freezer, ice maker combo. And this thing is just insane. Let's talk about it. Now, if you guys haven't heard of EcoFlow, they're all about capturing energy, storing energy, and using that energy in smart and really cool ways. Now, EcoFlow is always adding a bunch of cool products to their lineup, and the goal for them is to simplify everyday living with pretty innovative solutions like the Blade, which is an automated lawnmower with lawn sweeper capabilities, and their Wave 2, which is the follow-up to the most powerful and compact AC and heater unit on the market. And last but not least, we've got the Glacier, which we're talking about today. All right, guys, so here it is. We've got the EcoFlow Glacier inside the trunk of our car over here. And getting it in here is actually pretty simple, but let's take a quick look around the thing first. So this is it. Now, of course, in your main compartment over here, this is where you store all of your goods, all the stuff that you want to eat and drink. Throw them over here. You've also got this LCD screen. So you got all kinds of information. You can see the temperatures of the different sides. So you got your left and your right, your battery life over here, your battery percentage, your ice maker, as well as the buttons to control everything. You can turn off the screen. You can hold this to completely turn it off, change temperatures over here. So you got all these kind of controls and even the ice maker controls. Now, of course, inside of here is your main compartment. And as you can see, you've got two sections over here. And this is one of the cool things about it. Like I said, this is a 3-in-1. So you've got your fridge, freezer, and then your ice maker, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But right here, you can see that there's this divider that can actually be removed so that you can have one compartment, one large compartment, or two. Now, what's cool about this is not only can you have two sections, but they can be separately controlled. So if you want different temperatures on each side, not a problem. You can even have one side completely dedicated to being a freezer. So if you have like really cold things that you want to keep in here, you'll be able to have that as well.
What do you have?
What do we got? We got some drinks, Jay. We got grapes. We got strawberry. We got everything you need, man. You hungry?
I'll take a soda. No, I don't drink soda anymore. So.
Oh, okay. It even comes with like this dope basket, so you can have all your stuff right inside of here. Very easy and convenient. It's 38 liters, so you can definitely pack quite a bit in here. And if you want to take this out, it actually has this really cool mechanism to store the divider right there. So now, like I said, we also have an ice maker over here on the right side. And this is what makes this thing completely unique, the ability to just make ice whenever you want. And I'm gonna show you how that works in just a second, but you've got your ice maker over here. And on the right side, you got a couple things too. And on this side right here is your power connector. So when you need to give this thing some juice, you go ahead and throw that in. We've also got the optional wheel package on here. Moving this thing around is going to be a lot easier. It also comes with a handle. So if you plan on traveling with this and you don't want to carry it, you don't need to use the handles, you can go ahead and get these. We've also got a little compartment right here with your ice maker drain pipe. So when you need to get that liquid out, you got the drain pipe right here. But what's really cool is in the back. So check this out. This right here, you see it says power. You open this up and you've got your removable battery over here. So this thing is obviously something you want to take on the go. Well, you have the option to get a portable battery with you, so you can go ahead and take this with you different places. What's really cool about this battery though, is that it also works as a portable charger, 100 watts. So you can go ahead and charge, like if you want to charge up your MacBook or something, you'll be able to do that with no issues whatsoever. Now, something I got to give EcoFlow credit for is how high quality these things feel. This is absolutely a premium device. You can tell by like the different finishes, like with the ice maker, the overall feel of it, the heft of it. And we kind of saw that before when we had like the EcoFlow Delta Pro. That thing is a tank. So when it comes to quality, these guys definitely don't disappoint. Now we got to talk about what makes this thing so unique, and that's the ice maker feature. So we've got our ice maker over here, and to access it, all we do is press this button. Now, all you'll want to do is pretty much fill it up with water. So now that we've got our water here, and all we do is hit the ice maker, do some big old ice, and let it do its thing. Now, using the ice maker can take between 12 to 18 minutes. You can pretty much just chill, sit back. When you get somewhere, wait for some ice.
That's so cool.
Isn't it crazy? Because
Yeah.
you don't have to carry around those big bags of ice anymore, or maybe you don't even need to have like a cooler filled with ice. You can just make your own ice whenever you're ready. All right, so it just beeped. That means we are good to go. Let's check out this ice. Okay, so now we have to press this button to detach the ice. So I guess we just gotta wait a little bit. Oh snap, you see them bubbling up? They just pop out. All right, so let's pop it open. We take our little tray, we got the handles, and then we've got our ice. Tell me that's not a cool outdoor party trick. It's ice. It's cold. I guess if we wanna make some more, we could just hit the ice button again and it should just keep making ice. Now, like any piece of tech that we see in 2023, it's got an app. So in the EcoFlow app, you can control all kinds of different settings. Now, of course, in the app, you can control all the things you want. Both sides, you can control the temperature. So if you want to drop it, you can easily do that. You can also do the ice. You can make the ice, you can make them small or large cubes. It depends on whatever you're looking for, but you have the flexibility. And that's cool because it even lets you know if you don't have enough water to make ice. So you can go ahead and fill it back up. Now, if you need to use the fridge for a prolonged period of time, you can always go and turn on eco mode. And in eco mode, it might take a little bit longer to reach the temperatures that you want, but it won't drain the battery as fast. But yeah, within the app, you pretty much get access to all of your EcoFlow products. We got our Delta Pro over here. We got our Glacier, pretty much everything you need. And you might be wondering, why do I even need the app? Well, you might not be using it while you're outdoors with the Glacier, but if you got it in the home, maybe you've got it somewhere in a different room, like, oh man, I need to make ice, or is the temperature right for the food that's in there? You can always just jump in and check or adjust if you need to. Now, I know people are gonna love this for being outdoors, tailgating, that kind of thing, which completely makes sense. But I'm not so outdoorsy. Honestly, I think me and Ari can make use of this in our bedroom. We can use this for a ton of reasons. Ari can store milk for the baby. We hate going downstairs for ice, so we can have ice made right in this. And I love that for us. Can we be a bit lazy? Sometimes. So this is something that I see would be really useful right at home. But obviously, there's undeniable benefits to taking this thing on the go. But speaking of it on the go, how long does this thing actually last anyway? Now, obviously, you can use this thing as long as you want if you plug it into an outlet, but if we're talking about the plug-in battery, it can be used for about 40 hours in refrigeration mode, and if you want to use that freezer mode, it drops it down to about 19 hours. And obviously, these numbers can vary depending on the temperatures that you're using, or if you're in something like eco mode, but with these base numbers, you can definitely use this for a while, especially for an event. And when it comes to the ice maker, you can use it about 10 times, but like I said, these numbers can definitely vary depending on how you're using it. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this video. Let me know what you think of a product like this. How many of you outdoorsy folks or folks who just like to tailgate, all that kind of stuff, let me know what you think of this. Is this something that you would pick up? I think it's pretty dope, but I wanna know what your thoughts are. Leave a comment down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Links, of course, will be in the description. But till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. There's so many things that make me want to go outside these days. Don't know if it's gonna actually work though.